If you want to learn how to master AI video ads for your business, you've landed in the right place. Video has always been the highest ROI format in marketing. It just used to cost anywhere from $2,000 to $50,000 per minute to produce. But AI flipped that. 40% of all video ad creative will be AI generated by the end of 2026. So the entry point is finally accessible for any business, any budget. So here's what we're doing today. I'm breaking down the 4 tools worth your time. As we go through each tool, we're gonna build a decision chart that tells you exactly when to use each tool and how to get the most out of it. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete screenshottable cheat sheet that tells you how to master AI video ads for your business. I'll also show you how to get access to all 4 of these tools for roughly the price of 1 subscription. So stay with me until the end for that. All right, let's get into it. Now, as I'm sure you've gathered, this space moves fast. Models update constantly, so instead of just telling you which buttons to press, I want you to think of these 4 tools as specialists within the production process. Each one has a role, each one is the best in the world at that specific job, and your job is to know which specialist you need. By thinking about AI video generation this way, whatever drops next month or gets shut down like in the case of Sora, you'll know where it fits. First up, Google Veo. This is your end-to-end production studio that works directly with your Google workspace. And I'm gonna spend a little more time here than the other tools because this is the one I'd recommend most teams start with. So before I get into what it does, we've put together a complete free guide on Veo specifically. Real before and after examples of a marketer building a finished ad in under an hour, 10 ready-to-use prompt templates, and the exact prompting framework Veo responds to best. I've linked it in the description, so grab it now because it's gonna make a lot more sense as we go through this. The learning curve on this one is medium. It's not hard to get started, but getting great results takes a little practice with prompting. Stick with it, the payoff is worth it. To prompt Veo, think subject, who's in the frame, context, where they are, action, what they're doing, style, the visual tone, camera motion, how it moves, composition, how it's framed, ambiance, the feeling of the scene, and audio. Exactly what you want to hear and what you don't. That last part matters more than people think. Veo will fill gaps on its own. So if you don't specify audio, no dialogue, music only, whatever fits your ad. If you want to go deeper on this, the free guide breaks down the full prompting framework with more examples. That clip will come out at 1080p HD by default, with 4K upscaling available if you need it. Audio is generated alongside the video, dialogue, sound effects, ambient noise, all in one pass. Each generation produces an 8-second clip. You can then chain those clips together using a tool called Flow, Google's AI filmmaking workspace, to build sequences up to 60 seconds long. As of this year, you can now generate vertical video with Veo. If you're making shorts, reels, or TikToks, that used to be a real limitation, and now it's not. You can access Veo through Gemini, Google's AI assistant, or through Flow, the dedicated video workspace. It connects directly to YouTube and Google Workspace, so if you're already in the Google ecosystem, you never have to leave. And here's something most people don't know yet. Veo is now built directly into Google Ads. You can generate AI videos right inside the ad platform itself without a separate subscription. If you're running Performance Max campaigns, that's a huge deal. It's bundled into Google's AI subscription plans. The AI Pro plan gets you limited access to Veo's faster tier. The AI Ultra plan unlocks the full model with higher usage limits. Now, this is really important to know if you're creating ads. Every plan below Ultra puts a visible watermark on your video output. So if you're planning to publish ads or send anything to a client, you need the Ultra plan to get a clean, watermark-free video. Pro is the right place to learn and experiment. Ultra is where you go when you're creating for real. Veo is your starting point. End-to-end, audio included, lives inside tools you already use. If your priority is volume, duration, or budget, the next specialist is a completely different conversation. Kling AI is your workhorse and is genuinely the most slept on tool on this list. The learning curve on this one is about medium and the interface is straightforward, but getting the most out of the multi-shot and audio features takes some practice. The free tier is a great place to start before committing to anything. To prompt Kling, think subject, action, context, camera, in that order, and keep it to 2 or 3 ideas maximum. The more you over-explain, the worse output gets. But here's where it separates itself. Duration. A single Kling generation produces clips up to 15 seconds. You can then chain those clips using its video extension feature to build sequences up to 3 minutes long. That is the longest of any tool on this list by a wide margin. Just keep in mind that quality can degrade on extended sequences beyond 30 seconds. Kling generates audio right alongside the video, synchronized voiceovers, dialogue, and sound effects all in one pass. But Kling 3.0, which launched in February 2026, takes this further. It generates audio in multiple languages and accents: English, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, with accurate lip sync in each. If you're running global campaigns and need localized video content without refilming, that's a really cool capability. And here's something that matters specifically for ads. Kling 3.0 is currently the best AI video tool at keeping text legible in generated footage. Signs, price tags, brand logos, they stay sharp and readable. Every other tool on this list still struggles with this. For e-commerce and performance marketing, that alone might be reason enough to choose Kling. One quick tip before you start generating: always test at low quality first. Don't burn through credit on high-res footage until you know the concept is working. Generate a rough version, check the framing and motion, then commit to full quality on the winner. Kling is built by Kuaishou, the same company behind Kwai, a hugely popular short-form video app. So they've been running one of the world's biggest video platforms for years, and that experience shows. On pricing, this is where Kling really wins. Paid plans start at the lowest price point of any tool on this list, scaling up for heavier usage. You don't need a premium tier to get watermark-free output, which kicks in on the standard paid plan. So Kling is your best bet for volume, duration, and budget. But if you're doing professional campaign work, the kind where a client's gonna scrutinize every frame, you need a different level of precision, and that's where Runway comes in. If you've been following the AI video space at all, you've heard of this one. It's become the go-to platform for creative professionals. And in early 2026, when real people compared AI video outputs without knowing which tool made them, Runway came out on top. Better than Veo, better than Sora. Now, the learning curve on this one is advanced. Of all 5 tools on this list, Runway has the most controls, the most features, and the most ways to get a really precise result. That depth is exactly why professionals love it, but it means you'll want to invest some time learning it before you go into a client project. To prompt Runway, put the camera first, literally. The official structure is camera shot, then subject, then action, then environment. Runway is built around cinematic control, so if you don't tell it how to move the camera, it'll decide for you. Describe what happens, not what things look like. What sets Runway apart is its reference system. You can upload your own existing assets, a real product, a brand photo, your actual mascot. The model builds from what you already have. The reference image carries the visual detail. Your prompt just needs to describe what happens. For marketers needing AI video that matches real brand visuals rather than invented ones, that's the difference that matters. And if the prompting feels intimidating, Runway has a built-in AI prompt enhancer. You type a basic idea and it rewrites it into a properly structured prompt for you. They've also got Act 1, which lets you transfer a real performance onto a generated character. So you can film yourself acting out a scene and map that motion onto an AI-generated figure. And a left for in-video editing, like removing objects, changing lighting, and transforming entire scenes after the fact. These are tools built for people who need control, not just content. One thing to know going in: Runway does not generate audio natively alongside the video the way Veo, Sora, and Kling do. It has a separate text-to-speech tool, but the audio and video are not produced in one pass, so plan to handle audio separately in your editor. You access it at runwayml.com. There's a free tier to experiment with, and paid plans scale from an affordable entry point up to higher usage tiers depending on your production volume. Their current model is Gen 4.5, available on all paid plans. Runway is your precision tool, built for professionals who need creative control over every element. But not every video needs that level of production. If you're making content for social media and you need something fast, fun, and built to stop a scroll, that's a completely different job. Which brings us to the final tool on our list, Pika. This is your social media machine, and honestly, the most fun tool on this list. And the learning curve on this one, you guessed it, easy. If you never generated an AI video before, start here just to get comfortable with how it all works. So what is Pika? You type a prompt or upload an image, and it generates a short video clip. It's built specifically for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. The format, the pacing, the aspect ratios, everything about it is designed for social first. To Prompt Pika, lead with what happens, the action and the effect. One subject, one motion, and one camera move. Always state your aspect ratio and always add what you don't want at the end. Hot tip, no text on screen is one you'll use every time. Pika's standout feature is a set of effects called Pikaffects. You can inflate objects, melt them, explode them, crush them, squish them, even cakeify things. At my cake? You'll never know. I know that sounds completely ridiculous, but these are exactly the kinds of visuals that stop someone mid-scroll. Short-form platforms reward weird, unexpected motion, and Pika is built around that. One thing worth knowing, Pika generates sound effects automatically synced to whatever is happening on the screen. It's not the full dialogue and ambient audio that Veo or Sora produce, but for social content, it's usually all you need. To use Pika, you can access it at pika.art. There is a free tier to get started, and no credit card needed. We love that. When it comes to paid plans, this is the most affordable paid option on this list. Pika is your fastest path from idea to publish social content. No steep learning curve, no heavy setup, just open it, type what you want to happen, and post. Now, remember at the start of this video, I said I'd show you how to get access to all 4 of these tools for roughly the price of one subscription? The answer? Bundled platforms. There's a category of platforms that aggregate multiple AI video models under one subscription or one API. Instead of paying separately for Veo, Sora, Kling, and Runway, you get access to most of them through a single account. One login, one monthly fee, multiple tools. The 3 worth knowing are fal.ai, VEED, and Runway itself. Each one works a little differently, so here's how to think about which one fits your situation. Fal.ai is best for developers and teams who want raw model access. It is an API-first platform that gives you access to over 1,000 AI models, including Veo 3.1, Kling, Sora 2 Pro, and Runway, all under one API key with pay-per-use pricing. If you have a developer on your team or you're comfortable with APIs, this is the most powerful and flexible option available right now. VEED is best for marketers who want generation and editing in one place. It's a full video editing platform with AI generation built in. You can generate video using Veo 3.1 and Kling directly inside VEED, then edit, caption, dub, and export without leaving the platform. It's less about raw model access and more about a complete end-to-end production workflow. If you're a non-technical marketer who wants to go from idea to finished video in one tool, VEED is the most practical starting point. Runway is best if you're already a subscriber. If you're already paying for Runway, you may have more access than you think. Runway has been quietly building other models into their platform. Kling, Veo 3.1, others are now accessible directly inside the Runway interface. So before you sign up for anything new, check what's already available inside your existing Runway account. Now, these bundle platforms make the most sense in 2 situations. First, if you're on a team where different people need different tools. One account covers everyone without managing multiple subscriptions. Second, if you're still figuring out which tool is right for you, a bundle lets you test them side by side before committing to anything. The trade-off is you're working through a layer on top of the native platform. Some advanced features, like Veo's full flow workspace or Runway's Act 1, are only available through the native apps. Bundles are great for volume, testing, and flexibility. For precision production work, go native. So there you go, your 4 specialists. Veo for end-to-end production, Kling for volume and duration, Runway for precision and brand consistency, and Pika for social content that stops the scroll. Don't try to learn all 4 at once. Pick the one that matches your next video, use the chart, and start there. And remember this one rule before you publish anything. Always review your output. AI makes mistakes, weird hands, physics-related glitches, text that doesn't even make sense. Every single time, watch it back before it goes live. Now, tell me in the comments, which one of these tools are you most excited to try in your workflow? And if you want to start with the tool I'd recommend most, Google Veo, make sure to check out our free guide specifically on that one. Real examples, ready to use prompt templates, and the full prompting framework. Use it now and you can have your first AI video ad done before the end of the week. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to HubSpot Marketing for the latest tips, tools, and strategies to grow your business.